my father saw that I was serious, and he goes like, well, my classmate moved to Israel right after school. And he became a Yiddish professor there. And he's coming to Riga for the summer because, Israeli summers are very hot, and he likes to spend a cooler summer. A lot of people do that. And would you like to meet him? So we met, and it was incredible to see that there is this kind of like funny connection. And we met, and he gave me my first Yiddish classes. Besides the things that I had to take I maybe had to take a class in St. Petersburg before, or was that? I can't tell. The timeline is blurry for me now, but he showed me the basics.
And it was like individual class, so did you meet for a few times? Or
we met a couple of times, I still have that notebook, and he would make little dictations so that I write, and like give me texts to read, and we would like talk, and he would explain how certain things work, and how certain letters are like weird to write, like all the tzaddiks, all the Schloss letters, like all the end letters. They're like all, and he would just like spend some time, and we would just chat and hang out and do that. And it was just nice. And he gave me like some keys how to practice it. So, but the rest I mostly learned from just trying to talk to people, or reading, or songs. I never took an official Yiddish class, but somehow, like, when I get up at like a Stiller Abend at Class Canada, and Kolle Vidinepin is, or Kolle Paradulin is doing it, and he like leads it all in Yiddish, like it just started. I just realized at one point it just started coming out like naturally. I stopped shying away from speaking Yiddish, and I don't know. You're about to ask me when that happened. I don't know. It just like it happened all very gradually. But I do still treasure Hanan as my first teacher, because he kind of gave me the key.